The LUMIX S-Series cameras have a feature called multiple exposure, which allows you to take several pictures in the camera and overlay them on top of each other. Now let's show you how to do it. We're in the Camera tab, Page, Options Photo 2, choose Multiple Exposure, Start. Auto Gain allows you to match the exposure of the two pictures. We're going to leave it off. So if I go back and I choose Start, I'm going to see the symbol on the screen showing I'm in the multiple exposure mode. So to stop your multiple exposure, you can push the Q menu button. Now let's take a couple of exposures. Now that we've taken the first picture, we press the next button on the screen to advance to the next picture. We can see an onion skin of the original image, so we can line up our second image. If you want to take another picture, you could press Next. If you want to retake that picture, you can press the Retake button. But if you want to stop and put your exposure together, press the Exit button. Now that we've overlaid two images, that's how the multiple exposure mode works in the Panasonic LUMIX S-Series cameras.